Trial chambers can be very hard to find. Usually people can consider two options when looking for them. First is mining, which can take forever, and trading with cartographer builders. And even they only have a small chance of you getting the trial chamber map. Well, I have a fix. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is hold F3 and select G. This will show you your chunk borders. Now, you want to hold F3 and click 1. This will show you your pie chart. Now, you want to select tick on your pie chart. You can do that by pressing 2, but this number can vary. So I've seen it be 3 or 4 sometimes, so select whatever number it is. Alright, now you want to choose block entities. For me, this is free. As I said, this number can vary. Just select block entities. Alright, if you see Minecraft Vault or Minecraft Trial Spawner, that means you have a trial spawner near you. Alright, now we want to locate where the trial chamber is. You can do this by going to Options, Video Settings, and then lowering your render distance till you find the exact chunk where the trial chamber stops showing up and where it starts showing up. Alright, I'm gonna lower mine down to 8. Alright, it's still showing up at 8. Alright, I'm gonna lower it down to 7. Alright, it's showing up at 7. It's showing up at 6. And it stops showing up at 5. Now we want to find what direction the trial chamber is in. To do this, you want to go to each chunk in your cardinal directions and see where it starts showing up. So I'll go here. It's not showing up. Okay, it's not showing up there. Alright, so it's showing up here. I'm gonna try this one. Alright, as you can see, it shows up in both of these chunks. So now you just get to pick one. So now, let's see what our render distance is. Alright, I'm gonna go this way. You could choose either of the two in this scenario. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Now we're gonna lower our render distance down to 2. And it looks like our trial chamber is not showing up. Oh wait. There's a chicken jockey. Oh, alright, never mind. Now we have to repeat that process again and find what direction it is. So I'm gonna go 3. Alright, start showing up. Let's go 4. Alright, start showing up for 4. So let's go back down to 3. And find what direction it's in. Okay, shows up there. Not here. Not here. Not here. Alright. Now we want to travel 4 chunks in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Now we want to lower our render distance back down to 2. And as you can see, it starts showing up. Alright. Now you want to locate something called the chunk corner. To locate the chunk corner, you want to go into any of your cardinal directions until the trial chamber stops showing up. Alright. Make sure you refresh it every time. Oh, wait. It stops showing up in this chunk, but it starts showing up in this chunk. So now you want to go to this chunk, the one that's not showing up in, and see if it shows up. Alright, it doesn't. Now you want to go to this chunk and see if it starts showing up. Alright. As you can see, out of these 4 chunks, only this one shows the trial chamber. So this is the chunk corner. See, it's on like the corner of the 4 chunks. Alright, now you want to travel 4 chunks in this way, not including the chunk you're in, and the one that the trial chamber is in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that means that the trial chamber should be in this chunk. I'm gonna go game mode, spectator and go down. Let's see if we were right. Okay. As you can see, the trial chamber is in this chunk. So that proves that this method works, and it should work every time if you do it correctly. Thanks for watching.